Hi everyone, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a unique, very light and flavorful new recipe. This is pink layer cake. This elegant dessert is infused with delicious homemade raspberry jam and cream. And this happy and colorful recipe is perfect for any special occasions. Let's get started and prepare a baking pan by lining parchment paper. Add hot water to the medium bowl, then place small bowl inside. Combine milk with butter and stir until butter melts. Next, sift flour. In a large bowl, combine together egg yolks and sugar. Beat until light consistency. Separately, whip the egg whites on high speed. Once it starts to gain volume, add gradually sugar and continue whipping to glossy stiff peaks form. Add pink food coloring and mix. This meringue already looks so beautiful. I think the pink color looks so festive for baking. And now fold 1/3 of the meringue into the egg mixture. Basically, we are creating fluffy, light consistency as possible. Then fold in dry ingredients, mix gently to form a smooth batter. We don't want to end up with any lumps. Pour another 1/3 of the meringue and gently keep mixing. Finally, combine 1 tablespoon of meringue with milk and melted butter. Pour to the mixture and add the remaining meringue as well. Make sure to fold everything gently to create, like I said, fluffy consistency for the batter. And now you are going to pour this batter into prepared pan. Even up and smooth the top with your kitchen spatula or bench scraper. Slightly drop the pan 2-3 times to get rid of any air bubbles. Even up again and bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes, or when toothpick inserted comes out clean. Cool down the ready sponge cake, then transfer on flat surface and remove parchment paper. Meanwhile, let's prepare yummy homemade raspberry jelly. In a saucepan, heat up fresh raspberries with sugar, water, and half a lemon juice. And the whole thing bring to a boil and let it simmer on medium-high heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to stir in constantly, otherwise sugar might burn. After jam thicken, sift and press the remaining flesh of fruits. As well, get rid of any seeds. We need only clean and creamy consistency of the jelly. This homemade jam you can use with so many different options. For example, crunchy warm bread, a little bit of butter, and this homemade jelly tastes amazing. Going back to our recipe, beat cream cheese with soft butter until smooth consistency. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons raspberry jam and keep beating. This way, we create delicious raspberry cream filling. To create more citrusy flavor in cream, zest, and squeeze lemon juice. To assemble cake, sprinkle powdered sugar on your flat surface. This way the sponge cake you can move and cut easier. Even up by cutting all the sides of the sponge cake. Then cut the sponge cake into 3 same-size strips. Brush the top with raspberry jelly, and this homemade stuff is amazing, so you want to make sure to use everything. Next, pipe the cream. And you need to spread the cream only on 2 top of the strips, just like that. Smooth the top and cover with the second sponge cake layer. Even up again and top with the last raspberry sponge cake upside down, just like that. To set the cake, pop it to the fridge for 2-3 hours. For the decoration, whip cold heavy cream with powdered sugar. Right before serving, cut very thin layers all around the cake for a clean look. Then cut vertical and horizontal to create identical pieces. Flip each piece just like that and decorate with whipped cream, create zigzag motions. To create more festive look, decorate with edible snowflakes and holiday sprinkles. Finish with raspberry powder. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and beautiful dessert. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you next time.